My name is Shriyans Madeneni. I am 11 and I live in Amsterdam. My project is called TST. That stands for Traffic Signs Test. TST is designed to educate users on road signs. It asks users about commonly seen road signs and evaluates their general knowledge. On the screen, traffic signs will come up and the user has to guess all the meanings, either in speech, clicking the right answer, or showing the correct action in front of the webcam. The target is to get as many points as possible. Now I will demonstrate the project. Okay, so here I will demonstrate the project. First, I'll start with the speech one.
Which road sign is this?
Curvy road ahead.
Good answer. That's correct. Which road sign is this?
Okay, so now I will demonstrate. A machine learning one. So I'm just going to do this.
Show the action you would use to the webcam. Good answer. That is correct. Which road sign is this?
I will demonstrate that again. That was a little too fast.
Show the action you would use to the webcam.
Wait, just a minute. Need to hide this.
Show the action you would use to the webcam. Good answer. That is correct. Which road sign is this?
As you can see, I did the correct sign by putting the stop signal with my hand. Now I will do a multiple choice question.
What does this sign indicate?
Just a minute.
Which road sign is this? What does this sign indicate?
So this is a multiple
Good
choice
job.
question.
Right answer. Show the action you would use to the webcam.
Yeah, that was a multiple choice question. So now I will explain the goals of my project. I want my project to teach kids about road signs and improve their knowledge, safety, and awareness. In their future, it will be very useful to them. So that was my inspiration to create this project. I hope you like my project, and I'll see you next time. Bye.